Good morning, everybody. Today we will start with quinoline, our new heterocyclic compound. So, from the structure, what you will see one benzene ring which is fused with one pyridine ring. And now, what is the air? We have nitrogen as an heteroatom. So, the structure formula is C9H7N. N is nitrogen, which is our heteroatom. Quinoline system consisting of a benzene ring fused with pyridine ring. So we have benzene ring fused with pyridine ring. We know it as quinoline. If we have benzene ring fused with pyrrole, it is indole. And R ring atom 9 carbon, 1 nitrogen in quinoline are sp2 hybridized. So we have 9 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 carbon and 1 nitrogen we have. And total number of delocalized electrons are 10. 9 from carbon and 1 from nitrogen. Delocalized from, so we have 1 from nitrogen, 1 from this carbon, 1 from this, 1 from this. So we have total of 9 from carbon and 1 from nitrogen. The nitrogen lone pair resides in an sp2 orbital are not involved in the formation of the delocalized pi molecular orbital. You can also calculate this from steric number as we previously did from our other heterocyclic compound. It also shows aromatic properties and it also satisfies the Huckel's rule, which is n is equal to 2, 4n plus 2. So you can also calculate the Huckel's rule and then you will know that it will follows it and we have aromatic compound which is quinoline. So if we talk about the resonance structure, so you have to start from one side as we did previously from our previous heterocyclic compound. So suppose we start from these electrons, that these electrons are withdrawn by the nitrogen and then we have positive charge here. Okay, and then this bond will move here and then we have positive charge here and then this bond will move here, which is our this structure, and then we have positive charge here, which is our this structure, and then this bond will move here and then we have positive charge here. Okay, and at the end this bond will move here and then we have positive charge here, and at the end nitrogen will give again. So you have to move from one side, then it is easy for you to memorize it. Okay, if you want to cram it, you can draw this structure first, then this structure. But if you want to memorize, you have to just draw a by your own thinking that you have to start from one side and move from one by one. Okay, so these are the resonance structure of quinoline and the method of preparation now. So it is also isolated from coal tar. So it is naturally occurring and it also you can extract with other bases from coal tar. And you can also prepare by mixing the mixture of aniline, glycerol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 and mild oxidizing agent nitrobenzene. The reaction being exothermic tends to be violent and FeSO4 is also added to as a moderator. So what is exothermic reaction? So if you hold any beaker having exothermic reaction going inside the beaker, you will feel that the beaker is hot. Okay, so if you have a mixture of aniline and glycerol in the presence of HClO4 and mild oxidizing in nitrobenzene, you will find that the beaker or the reaction container is exothermic and it is violent. So it is very much hot. Okay, so you will add some FeSO4 to make it cool or to make it not violent. So what is the reaction? So we have aniline and we have glycerol in the presence of H2SO4 and with nitrobenzene we have our quinoline. Okay, so what is the role of FeSO4? It is used as moderator. H2SO4 is used with aniline and glycerol and a mild oxidizing agent which is nitrobenzene. And the other method of preparation is with primary aryl amine. This is primary aryl amine with unsubstituted ortho position is reacted with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound in the presence of acid gives quinoline. So this is our alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound we will have in the presence of acid quinoline. So this is other method of preparation of quinoline. And now what are the chemical reaction? Quinoline is a slightly weaker base than pyridine. Like other tertiary bases, it forms salt with acid and reacts with alkyl halide yielding quaternary salt. So if we talk about first reaction, so this is quinoline with weak, so it acts as weak base. So if it reacts with acid, which is HCl, we have quinoline hydrochloride. And also if it reacts with alkyl halide, so this is alkyl halide, we will get N-methyl quinolinium iodide. So these are two reactions in which we will say that quinoline is a slightly weaker base than pyridine. And now electrophilic substitution reaction occur in the benzene ring and not in the more resistance pyridine ring. The preferably attack position are 8 and 5. So now electrophilic substitution will take place in benzene ring. You have to keep in mind that electrophilic substitution reaction take place in benzene ring because we have nitrogen at nitrogen atom in the pyridine ring, which is fused to benzene ring, is more resistance to electrophilic substitution reaction because nitrogen will not share its electron very easily. That's why attack will occur at 8 and 5 position of benzene ring. So this is 8 position and this is 5 position of benzene ring. And now with sulfuric acid, we will get 8,5-quinoline sulfuric acid. So in the presence of heat and H2SO4, we will get 8,5-quinoline sulfuric acid. You have to keep in mind again that electrophilic substitution reaction occur at benzene ring, not in more resistant pyridine ring because of presence of nitrogen atom in the pyridine ring. And quinoline also give nucleophilic substitution reaction shown by pyridine ring, but not with the benzene ring. So now that it is opposite of the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now benzene ring is not giving nucleophilic reaction easily because of nitrogen which is present in pyridine ring. So we have 2 aminoquinoline and also we have 2 phenylquinoline. So this is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now reduction, quinoline easily reduced to yield 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydroquinoline. The benzene ring being more resistance is not reduced. So the benzene ring is more resistance and is not reduced. It is also opposite of electrophilic substitution reaction in which pyridine ring is more resistant because of presence of more electronegative nitrogen atom. But in case of reduction, it is easily reduced than benzene ring. Sorry. So now we will get 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydroquinoline. On vigorous oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate, it yields pyridine 2,3 dicarboxylic acid. So if we have quinoline in the presence of alkaline medium with potassium permanganate, we will get pyridine 2,3 carboxylic acid. Okay. So these are few chemical reactions of quinoline. So now these are the physical properties. So what is the molecular weight? It is 129.16. So in the exam I also gave you the molecular weight so you can calculate easily. Okay. Appearance, colorless oily liquid, density 1.093 gram per ml, melting point -15 degree, boiling point 273 degree, solubility slightly soluble in water and acidity is 4.85. And drugs containing quinoline ring and the application it is used as solvent, preservative and flavoring agent in different medicine and also in making dyes, paste, fungicides and pharmaceuticals. So if we see the structure, so this is our quinoline ring present in quinine. This is pemaquine. This is our structure of quinoline. This is chloroquine. This is our structure of quinoline. And then we will also have our quinoline structure here. And now we have our structure here. So this is all about quinoline.